You know that we're very proud of your president, Rodrigo Duterte, and I think most of the people in the United States feels the same way. We applaud him. He's doing a great job, and we want to thank him.
Okay, compared to Donald Trump, how easy?
Rodrigo Duterte is 1,000 times better than Donald
That's
Trump.
what I want to hear. Okay, palakpakan natin to.
Palakpakan
Kita mo,
natin yun,
kung nakikinig yung ating presidente, okay sir, mas magaling pa raw kayo kaysa kay President Donald Trump ng US 1,000 times. Totoo naman talaga, magaling yung presidente natin. In fact, na lagay nga sa Time Magazine. Iba, Mamelen?
Oh, definitely.
Tapos tingin nyo, kumpara sa mga dating presidente ng Pilipinas, how does the president or new president fare with all the other
If
presidents
you
in the
want
past?
me to speak from the heart, magmula nung nawala si President Marcos, parang lahat ng president natin na sumunod, they were all mediocre. Ngayon lang dumating na meron tao na who's willing to do everything for the masa. And that's why the people love him, because he's for the masa, you know. He's not egoistic like, you know, some other presidents out there. I don't want to mention names.
Pwede naman kayo mag-mention ng kulay.
Puti.
What can you say about the anti-drug campaign of President Duterte, Vernon?
I compare him to Elliot Ness, if you want
Elliot
to know.
Ness of the
Elliot Ness in the
one-
1930s.
FBI.
the FBI,
Yes.
the first FBI agent.
He was put on as the head of the gangbuster units when they had really bad crime in the 1930s. In approximately 3 years' time, he pretty much wiped out those gangs and caught the most notorious gangster of that era, Al Capone. Al Capone was sentenced to life in prison in Alcatraz near San Francisco. However, he died a few years later from syphilis. So I think Rodrigo Duterte and Elliot Ness can be compared, and I think they're doing, I mean, he's not alive now, Elliot Ness, but by comparison, they're doing a fantastic, or have done a fantastic job, and Rodrigo Duterte is doing a great job.
Wow, nakikinig ba yung Malacanang dyan?
Martin
Secretary Martin,
Antenar.
narinig mo yan? Iparating mo yan kay presidente natin, dalawang pumupuri. Okay, salamat po sa inyo.